Hello everyone, and welcome back to For Dummies KH. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start a site using Drupal, which is another content management system. Making a simple site with Drupal is kind of an oxymoron though, because Drupal is not intended for small, simple sites. If a small, just easy little site you want to put together is your goal, then go ahead and watch the last video I made on WordPress. Drupal, though, is a whole different beast. It's a data modeling platform, which basically means that Drupal's a CMS that takes data and converts it into a useful form. That's why a lot of big companies have sites that use Drupal. They have a ton of data and they need that data to be displayed in an easy to understand format. What I'm here to do is to show you guys how to get started with content types in Drupal so that you can actually get into building a more complex site. So what I have on screen here is the start of a site on Drupal. I accessed Drupal through Reclaim Hosting, sorry. And if you want to figure out how to access Drupal, just go back in my last video. It's the same as WordPress. Just click on applications through the control panel, and Drupal will be one of the installations you can select. So once you're on, you'll start and you'll log into your admin page, and then you'll have a clean slate. So all these content things that I have here, those are all things that I added for this video. So you go into content, you'll see all of them. And you'll see all of them have a content type, which is what I'm going to be getting into. So if you want to make a content type, like I have, location, faculty, course, stuff like that, you go to structure, content type, and I made course, faculty, and location. Article and basic page are things that were included when Drupal made the site for me. So if you go to manage fields, for course, you'll see there are different fields for a course. So there's course description, course ID, and course name, because a course or really any data entries are more than just one single input, especially when it comes to something like this where it's like scheduling classes. So if you wanted to make a content type, so I'll make a new one. Go back to content types, add content type. I'll make this one college. So college with which class is associated with. Then just give it a title. You can leave it as optional. Save. And then it'll have you add fields to your new content type. So it always gives you body. You can get rid of that or keep it. So just click add field, select field type, text plain, and then give it a label. This is what your field name is going to be. So let's make college name. Okay. You can limit this or not. I'll just keep it as the default. And then you're going to want to make sure that you hit required field here, because you shouldn't be able to enter a college without a name. It just doesn't make sense. So save settings, and then you can add another field. So I'll do like college ID. Same thing, save settings. All right, so now I have my college content type made. So if I wanted to actually add content for a college, I would go to content up here, click add content. And this is what I did for college, or for course, faculty, and location, same thing. So college, let's put College of IST, body, and then college name, College of IST, and college ID, we'll just put 111, 111. Save. College of IST has been created. Go back to content, and you'll see that it's made just like these other ones. And if I go back to home, it'll be made. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that this was able to help you guys at least get started with content types in Drupal. My next video will go more in depth on Drupal and how to start using these different data entries. So until then, I'll see you guys next time.